Right, so what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. Please excuse all the road and wind noise. Currently here down in Sandbanks, but today I'm filming a video with this Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spyder. I'm going to try and cross the road in a minute and show you the car in a bit better detail, but just going to take a few videos and pictures of it here, parked up by the seafront. I'm going to go for a little ride in it. So yeah, should be a very cool video and I hope you enjoy it. Right, so here it is. Very, very nice spec. It looks awesome parked up by the water here. Those rims look insane as well. Very awesome car. It's in fact also the first time that I'm going to experience a Performante. I've been in plenty of Huracans, so very interesting to give you my kind of thoughts at the end of the video on how this feels compared to the standard Huracan. So yeah, so have a little look around the car. See, completely blacked out with the white paint, which looks absolutely stunning on it. You see in the interior, it's got the comfort seats, which is always a good thing with the Performantes and Aventadors. You can see all that forged carbon on the inside. This looks absolutely incredible. Like I was saying in my Aventador video a few days ago, all the angles and insane aero on these Lamborghinis is what makes them look so insane. And you can see some of the details on this car. Forged carbon on the wing. Got this huge, completely forged carbon diffuser on it with the huge exhaust pipes. And you can even see into the engine bay slightly there with the whole exhaust components, which is a very cool touch and just adds to what is an insane looking car. And also, as you can tell, a very insane sounding car as well. It's got the Italian stripes there down the side below the Performante badge. Another thing with the Performantes is the wheels are extremely nice, very unique shape, but looks awesome. Unlike the Aventador S, it's got that kind of center lock wheel design on the middle, which looks really, really cool. And the Italian badge there, along with the red brake calipers, is a very nice addition and matches very, very well.
And then press that one. Okay, that's it. And then put the, you see that toggle? Yeah. Put it in closer. Yeah. One more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Sounds awesome.
Give it one.
Wow. See Corsa on that as well. Insane. to ride in a Performante Spyder. Just parked up at Sultan's Marina to do some photos and stuff, but thought I'll finish off the video here in advance just so I have an outro. But yeah, that's going to wrap up the video. Quickly do a slight little walk around, but yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for plenty more videos like this to come, and I shall see you next time.